new challenge for me, and it's very probably the biggest challenge for myself in my racing career. So it's definitely exciting.
Kimi Räikkönen debuteert op 21-jarige leeftijd in de Formule 1. Na 1 seizoen bij Sauber voor de 5 seizoenen bij McLaren. In 2009 wordt hij Ferrari-piloot. En in de slotrace van dat jaar in Brazilië wordt hij met het kleinste verschil wereldkampioen.
Hamilton 7th. By my calculations, we win the championship by 1 point.
The Iceman was Räikkönen's bijnaam in de Formule 1. Nu in 2010 mag hij zijn bijnaam letterlijk nemen in de rallysport.
Different sports. Here it's now minus 25, so we would never drive the Formula 1 car in this kind of condition. And I mean, everything is different. The driving, and in Formula 1 you do the same lap in testing all the time. The condition can change a little bit, but in here, every time when you go through the same, even if the same stage when you're testing, there's more snow or less snow, and it changes completely.
Räikkönen heeft nu dus de Ferrari geruild voor een Citroën C4. Zijn co-rijder Kyle Lindström heeft hoge verwachtingen van zijn beroemde partner.
This is very interesting challenge for me. I mean, we have a very skillful driver from other motorsports, and now he wants to turn in the rallying, so it makes it more interesting than with my previous drivers for sure. The main goal is first to finish rallies, to take it easy, and then once we see and learn more about the car, then we can start pushing a bit, and hopefully that's it.